goes croak, and the elephant goes too. Ducks they quack, and fish go glow, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? Hattie, hattie, hattie ho, hattie, hattie, hattie ho, hattie, hattie, hattie ho. What the fox say? What the fox say? Big blue eyes, pointing nose, she's seen mice and digging nose. Tiny paws up the hill, suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly horse, will you communicate by more? How will you speak to that horse? What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say?